Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page, Telly's Talkin' Chalk, or the one you're actually on right now. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VIP. You can also follow me on Instagram and YouTube. I also have a website called tellystalkandchalk.ca. Sorry. Where you can find my finished pieces and links to the business website for Canada or the US. I can ship to both. If you've liked what you've seen, give me a thumbs up, and you can also let me know if you want any of it. You just have to let me know. Make sure this is turned down. Oh, I don't like the fact that they got rid of that button. Okay. So, that's probably why nobody's getting messages. Oh well. Okay. So, we were looking at doing one of two. I can do the Love You More Than Pumpkin Anything, or That Dream Was Planted in Your Heart for a Reason. I'm thinking I might go the pumpkin, because what we're doing is we are trying to get it to go along. Sorry everybody, we got a window open and clearly something's going down. So we have done these, and I was kind of hoping that I could make something that would go with it. And That Dream is kind of a more spring idea. I'm thinking this one might be better. Might actually even fit better. And we're going to do it on like these. So we're just doing it in straight black, even though it is kind of the autumn. I wanted it to be more of a plain decor.
Well, the pumpkin thing kind of goes with what's on the other side.
It does, but shush. Hello, Nicole. Nice to meet you. Thanks for jumping on. How did you find me? I love new people. So these are reusable transfers, 8 to 12 times. Sorry, I was going to say 6 to 12, but either way, up to 12, actually even more, if you take really good care of them. So I'm going to fuzz it on my little thing here. Can we switch the cameras, Paul?
Yeah, I was just about to do that.
Okay, because I've been showing it up like this, close, because it's so small in the corner, instead of on the big screen, so I can't gauge it. So we're just going to pull it up like this a few times. We just want to put a little bit of lint on the back so that it doesn't stick too hard to the surface, and pull up the chalk or the ink depending on what we are using. Huh, interesting. I don't know what you put. That might have been artist. I don't think it has to do with my disability, because I don't really promote that all that much. Okay, so this is going to come up and come off of the piece just a little bit. I'm just trying to make this as straight as I can. But you get the words and everything else. Just these little parts are going to be a little off. So supposedly what? Paul? Supposedly what?
Oh, it's just
Oh, okay. Well, let me read the message first if I can. No, I do read them if they come up and I can see them. But I need to be able to get my thought out before you're talking over top. If I'm not answering, there's a reason. It's because I'm probably in the middle of something. Oh, this is not good. Okay, we are not doing it in that color. Well, one, I can't get the lid off. And two, it seems like it's dried up. And I don't know how, considering the thing's on. You want to find me my black shimmer? I did see it, I just didn't want to use it because normally it's too wet. But I guess wetter is better than dry. Alright, so we're having to change directions here a little bit. We're just going to have to put a bunch of distilled water in there and fix it. Alright, so we're going to do it in our shimmer shadow, which is just a black shimmer. Wasn't originally what I wanted, but because this is going to shine now and the other ones aren't, but that's okay. I'm hoping the shimmer goes nice because it's super wet. So what do you do to become creative? Nicole? What kind of things do you do? Are you into visual arts or music? I'm into kind of both. I love both. I sing all the time, and I've been crafting now for 2.5 years with this company. So this is going to be a short live, not too long. I'm just trying to get all this to work well. Sorry, I can't. Sometimes I can't talk and craft at the same time. It gets all mumbo jumbo. So if this doesn't go well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make this whole thing black and we'll do another design on it. Just because I'm a little scared of this. I'm just going to pull it straight up. Now there is going to be parts that aren't fully done anyway. Yeah, it's a little wet. So it gives off a little bit of like outline. Doesn't actually look too bad. It might look better when it's dry. But there it is. I'm going to hold it up closer. So we're just going to let that dry overnight. We'll take some, I don't know what that is. I can't even see you.
towards me.
I can't see you. You're in black to me right now.
Sorry.
So that is our finished project. Normally it doesn't make me stick out my arms this far. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, so that is our finished project. I hope you liked it. I'm sorry for all the craziness that's happening right now. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, so I will be on at 5 o'clock instead of 7. So I hope you will come back and see me again. Bye, guys.